Thank you. Our next speaker is Dr. Suraj Prakash, the senior orthopedic surgeon.
This is a message for the. There are some students who have come from the medicine department. How many of you are there? How many interns? You are supposed to report back. I was told by Dr. Richa Devan, she gave me only 1 hour. So I think all the medicine department students, the medicine department ones, because otherwise, so roll number, jo group number 1A hai, I'll just announce their names: Ayush Gabrani, Ayushi Hasija, Abhinil Mittal, Abhinav Bansal, Abhinav Sharma, Achal Saxena, and Aditi Mittal. Can you all come to the stage, please? I would request the secretary and the president of the organizing batch also to be here. And Dr. Harish Gulati, aap aa jaiye, sir. He represents MAMCOS. Dr. Many hai idhar? Haan, Many, please come na. We'll do it in phases, otherwise we won't be able to finish it. Ayush Kabrani, Ayushi Hasija, Abhinil Mittal, Abhinav Bansal, Abhinav Sharma, Achal Saxena, and Aditi Mittal. First is Ayushi Gabrani. Ayush, so sorry. अरे यार रुक जाओ. Ayush Gabrani, इसमें गलत लिखा. Ayush, very sorry. सर आप start So she represents the alumni batch. Ayushi Hasija. आयुष ई हसीजा लिखा है इसमें. अब आ जाओ. यस. अभिनिल प्लीज. अभिनव बंसल, अभिनव शर्मा, आंचल सक्सेना, अदिति मित्तल. आप डालो ना. गो ऑल ऑफ यू स्टार्ट वन बाय. हाँ, यू रेडी? आई विल जस्ट बस आई विल फिनिश दिस.
We will go to the top.
Now you
We'll
start
go
the
to
top. Now you start.
Hi friends, I've been asked to be very quick and very brief. Everybody just take a seat please. This is the mic.
After this lecture, we are going to have the last lot. So please, इधर ही बैठिए, otherwise you will miss your turn.
Okay. Well, my talk is different from all the others which preceded me, because I am talking about a procedure which is actually nearly 30 years old. Unicondylar replacement is a technique which started in 60s and 70s, but it has got special indication for Indian population. Now, arthritis is a loss of articular cartilage. There could be many reasons. What I am focusing is on osteoarthritis. Symptoms are basically pain and stiffness, and many surgical options are available. The knee is basically divided into 3 compartments: lateral, medial, and patellofemoral. If one component is affected, which in most of the patients it is, the treatment is unicondylar knee replacement. If 3 components are affected, the treatment is TKR. Now what has changed? With minimally invasive techniques like in all fields of medicine and surgery and better implants, the results have changed markedly over last maybe about 10 years. Now Indian patients present late as they are terrified of pain and losing mobility. They do not follow up well, and they have very high demands and expectation from any surgery. The concept is basically that the damage starts in the anteromedial aspect of the tibia and then progresses to the rest of the joint. The whole of cartilage is actually not affected. The comparison as compared to total knee replacement favors unicompartmental knee replacement, with up to 98% survival, 95% survival over 10 years. Why think of uni in our country? The reasons are manifold. Patient get discharged in 3 to 5 days. There is no prolonged rehabilitation. The recovery is within 2 to 3 months. Gait is normal and stair climbing is possible even the next day in many patients. The surgical exposure is very less. This procedure can be done through a small capsular incision as compared to a big arthrotomy and a total knee replacement. The amount of bone removed is less than 1/3 of the amount removed in total knee replacement. And this procedure actually gives a far better functional result as compared to total knee replacement. This is an 84-year-old man. Look at the transformation within 2 months. The cost benefits are immense. There is no ICU stay. Patient can be home the next day. Implant is cheaper. No physiotherapy is required. It gives a much better range of motion, gives a natural feel to the knee. There is less amount of pain, a faster recovery. It's a definitive procedure. TKR as an option still exists, and there is a much higher rate of excellent and good results, and can be revised easily if required. Now this is the type of function day 2 after surgery, and by day 26 patient has recovered most of the function. This is the amount of cut, just a small capsular incision, no ligaments, no muscles cut. The amount of bone removed is minimal. This is the incision, and this is the function. At 6 months, patient is able to sit cross-legged and has got full flexion of the knee. Prerequisites are normal cruciate ligament should be there, lateral compartment should be normal, the deformity should be correctable, slight patellofemoral arthritis is not a problem. It does not require any expensive investigation. All you need is a simple stress valgus X-ray, which tells you the correct patient where this surgery can be done. I'll just skip through these slides. Patellofemoral arthritis, obesity is not a contraindication. It gives reproducible results which improve over a period of 1.5 years and then continue till 15 to 20 years. It holds a very great potential in Asian population who want to sit on the floor squat. I've done about 45 of these implants in 40 patients, and the follow-up is from 9 years to 3 months. And most of the patients were able to go home after doing stairs while in the hospital. No blood transfusion was ever required, and the longest admission was 3 days. Criteria is localized pain, no deformity in flexion. Varus should be correctable, and age and an older patient, younger patient, it suits both the groups. This is the best operation is one in which patient can lead a normal life. Most of the people are able to sit cross-legged within about 3 months of the surgery. Well, special thanks to some of my batchmates. I have done this surgery in 4 of our batchmates of the 8690 batch, and I am really grateful to those because trusting your own friend is sometimes the most difficult thing to do. Thank you. Done.
Thank you, Dr. Prakash. Dr. Nair, please come on the stage.
Okay,
Sir, please center stage.
okay. जल्दी फोटो खींचो, इसको अगले को बुलाने हैं। फोटो ले, चलो, okay, bye, see you, bye. चलो, next please.